Aquarius, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see your monthly readings for the month of April 2021. So we are going to see what are the guidance messages for you from the universe. Okay, so let's start your reading. Before that, it is going to be a general reading. It may or may not resonate with all of you, so take what resonates and leave the rest. And for those who have come from my Instagram account by watching those trailers in Instagram, welcome to the family, YouTube family, and let's get started with your detailed version of the reading now. Okay, so the overall energy is the Five of Pentacles in your reading, Aquarius. So it feels a loss, a feeling of pain, a feeling of grief, a feeling where you are either financially not well, when you feel that you have not met you're not able to meet your finances, like your expenditures are more than your savings, more than your income. So that is the feeling where you feel left out, where you are literally feeling that the rest of the world is above you and you are really down. Okay, in the past we have the Three of Wands in reverse, Temperance, and King of Wands. Well, this is a very beautiful energy because your overall energy is coming up with the Five of Pentacles, but the reading is literally different. So we are going to see what this overall energy implies. Okay, so in your past energies, there was a time when whatever you started, new business, new things, new relationship, new job, always, obstacles came your way. Always you find obstacles. Never ever a thing happened without any obstacle. And because of your patience mode with the Temperance, you were always patient, you were always balanced. So what did you do? You tried to work on that stuff again because of that King of Wands energy. So this is your energy I feel over here. So because of this, you always worked hard, more hard, and harder and harder and harder, and then you achieve it. So you have seen losses, you have seen pains, and then you have just came up from that losses. So I feel this Five of Pentacles is that thing. Your overall energy depressed. Finally, it's like, whatever I have, I am happy. Okay, you are feeling grateful in the present energies with the Nine of Cups. So in the present, we have Three of Swords in reverse, Nine of Cups, and the Emperor. So whatever loss you have experienced in the past, you are trying to come from that loss. You are trying to eliminate that pain, that loss from your life, and you are coming up with a very grateful mindset. Gratitude you are showing daily and daily to the universe, that whatever I have because of you. And you are very positive in that thing. If you have less money, but still, you know that you are lesser than many of the people. Many people have, they have cars, they have everything, but you are struggling day and night for this thing to achieve, but still you are positive. So you have that self-confidence mode on at present. In the future, we have Knight of Pentacles, Six of Pentacles in reverse, and Ace of Wands. So I feel over here that you are going to work in this month of April. You are going to work slowly and steadily, without even telling any person, any people around you what you are planning to do, what you are going to do, and you are coming up with new ideas, but not telling everyone about those ideas. So let's do the detailed version of your reading. Let's see what are the energies for my Aquarians. Detailed reading for my Aquarians, please. Let's dig into the detailed version. Energies for my Aquarians. What is it? Five of Pentacles. Why is it in the overall energy? Five of Pentacles. The Emperor. Okay, so you have that authoritative mode where you are feeling, actually what is happening, you have that aura in you of taking responsibility, of doing something and finishing it. Okay, starting something and then finishing it. You have that responsibility, you have that thing in you. It's just that the time is not right. The things which you get are not worthy of your, what you exactly deserve. You don't get it. Like the work in your company, in your job, you just get small projects, but you are capable of doing something more, something big. You are You are the emperor. Emperor is the bigger than the king as well. So this is that energy where you have more potential, but no one is actually seeing this potential in you. Let's see why the Three of Wands in reverse is here. King of Pentacles. Wow. So yeah, because of the stable and beautiful energy in you, you always had those obstacles in your life, but you stood up again, feeling that I'm on top of the world and I don't care what people think. You have this positive aura in you. Because of this only, you have a mindset to work, to start things again in a different, beautiful manner. In the Temperance, why do we have Temperance in the past energies? Seven of Cups with the Seven of Pentacles. Alright. So this is a very confused energy, although you never showed anyone that you are actually confused. You were patient not because you wanted to be patient. I feel that you were patient because you didn't have any option. Okay, what to do now? So let's just be quiet. Let the universe do whatever they want to do. So that is the reason you stood calm. You waited for the perfect time to come and then to take action on that thing. So this is a very beautiful energy which is I am picking up for you, Aquarius, today. Okay, let's see why the King of Wands is there in the past energies. Two of Pentacles. Always been busy, always have no time for yourself. I don't see any time you are taking out for yourself in work, in love, whatever. We're always trying to just balance between your work life, your home life, everything like that. Because money matters. Yes, I feel that this is regarding something related to money. Money matters for you a lot, and that is why you are doing this stuff, because you want to achieve success. Okay, this was your past energies. Okay, let's see your present. Why the Three of Swords is there in reverse in the present energies? Six of Wands. Yes, because of these past things which you are letting go now, you are trying to just delete this bad past energies from your life, and you're trying to be grateful. So that is why you are actually coming closer to the success which you actually want in life. So always trying to neglect, always try to let go of the bad negative energies. We always come up close towards the success which is required in our life. Why the Nine of Cups is here? Four of Swords. Yeah, you are grateful for what you are having, but you are patient. You are taking no steps, just no unnecessary steps. I'm thinking it's like, let me analyze some stuff, let me sit and relax, let me sit and think about the situations, like how much money I can earn more from this thing, how can I do better in this relationship, so that is what you are doing at this present time. You want success in everything, whether in relationship, in your job, work life. So you are always trying to plan out stuff. Okay, so let's see why the Emperor is here in the present energies. We have got two Emperors, Ace of Swords. So your clarity is becoming better day by day. Okay, let's see why the Knight of Pentacles is here in the future energies for my Aquarians. We have Six of Swords. Wow. So Six of Swords and Knight of Pentacles, the beautiful thing is they both, Six of Swords it just don't want to stay in the chaotic world. If you do not like a job, we just move it to something else. It is about money, it is about higher income, but it's about mental peace as well. You think that, you feel that. So that is why you are working, you are moving away, you are moving slowly, you are not showing people that you are moving. You will just apply for something else and you will just move. So in the month of April, I'm seeing that there is a lot of secret behavior of yours which you are not going to tell to anyone, and you are moving away from the chaotic world of around you. Might be bad office, that area in office, that aura basically. Let's see, Six of Pentacles in reverse. Nine of Cups. Wow, so we have got two Nine of Cups. So yes, so you might be even manifesting during this time. In the month of April, you are more into that spiritual world, I feel, where you are entering that happiness within, that kind of a thing you are getting, you are feeling, and you are finding more happiness because your overall energy is, your past and present energies are more about money, more about success, victory in life, but your future energies are telling me more of your creative zone, more of you where you are going towards something which you love to do, not because of money, but because you love to do it, and you are getting ideas on that particular thing as well. Justice, see, balanced energy. So you are trying to balance yourself in the month of April. 5 of Cups. And no more thinking of the past, I feel. You are more communicating in the world of where you want to be, where you want to explore new stuff, and where you just want to earn money and want to live there. You are earning money because you love doing what you do. Okay, so that is all from my side, Aquarius. I hope it helps, and we are going to meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.